The Virgo Supercluster is a massive collection of galaxies that was once believed to be the large-scale structure housing the Milky Way. However, modern astronomical studies have revealed that it is actually just a part of a much larger system, the Laniākea Supercluster. The Virgo Supercluster is a vast region of space containing around 2,000 galaxy clusters, including the Local Group, which houses the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, and dozens of smaller galaxies. It stretches approximately 110 million light-years across, and has a concentration of galaxies drawn toward its center, the Virgo Cluster. At its core, the Virgo Cluster is the largest and most densely packed region, containing more than 1,300 galaxies, with the giant Messier 87, M87, being one of its most prominent members. This cluster acts as a gravitational anchor, pulling galaxies from surrounding regions toward it. Astronomers first identified the Virgo Supercluster in the 1950s while studying the large-scale distribution of galaxies. At the time, it was one of the largest known cosmic structures. Scientists mapped the motions of galaxies, realizing they were not moving randomly but instead drawn toward a central gravitational region, later identified as the Virgo Cluster. For decades, astronomers considered the Virgo Supercluster to be the Milky Way's primary cosmic home, grouping it with other known galaxy clusters. However, advancements in cosmic mapping and galaxy motion studies led to a groundbreaking discovery. The Virgo Supercluster was actually part of an even larger system, the Laniākea Supercluster, which was identified in 2014. Before the discovery of Laniākea, the Virgo Supercluster was the largest known galactic structure associated with the Milky Way. Studying it helped astronomers understand how galaxies form, move, and interact on cosmic scales. The Virgo Supercluster is influenced by a mysterious gravitational force known as the Great Attractor, a massive, unseen concentration of matter that pulls galaxies toward it. This phenomenon remains a subject of ongoing research and contributes to our understanding of dark matter and gravitational forces in the universe. Modern mapping techniques, particularly the Cosmic Flows 2 survey, revealed that the Virgo Supercluster is just one section of a much larger system, Laniākea. This discovery showed that superclusters are not isolated structures but interconnected in vast cosmic networks. While still a crucial structure in astronomy, the Virgo Supercluster is now recognized as just one part of the Laniākea Supercluster, which extends 500 million light-years across and includes around 100,000 galaxies. Our understanding of cosmic structures continues to evolve, and scientists are still mapping the full extent of these massive formations. The Virgo Supercluster was once thought to be the Milky Way's ultimate home, but we now know it is part of something much greater. Its study has helped scientists trace galaxy movements, uncover cosmic forces, and refine our understanding of the universe's large-scale structure. As technology advances, future discoveries may reveal even larger cosmic connections, further reshaping our place in the universe. That's all for today. Subscribe for more videos like these.